Welcome to Beyond the Obvious. In this video, we're diving into one of the most mind-boggling concepts in modern science: the size and shape of the universe. When we look up at the night sky, we see a vast expanse of stars and galaxies, but what we see is just a tiny fraction of the universe. The observable universe stretches across an incredible 93 billion light-years. And that's only what we can see. There's so much more beyond our reach, expanding all the time. But what is the shape of this vast universe? How do scientists measure such an enormous expanse? Let's break it down. The size of the universe is truly beyond our comprehension. The observable universe, the part we can see, is about 93 billion light-years across. A light-year is about 9.46 trillion kilometers. Within this immense space, there are around 2 trillion galaxies, each home to billions of stars. What's even more fascinating is that the universe is expanding. Galaxies are moving away from each other, and this expansion is actually accelerating. This realization, made by astronomer Edwin Hubble in the 1920s, led to one of the most profound conclusions in cosmology. The universe had a beginning, known as the Big Bang. The expanding universe. The universe didn't always look like it does today. After the Big Bang, it was extremely small, hot, and dense. Over the last 13.8 billion years, space itself has been stretching, causing galaxies to move farther apart. And that expansion? It's still happening today. In fact, it's speeding up, driven by something we don't fully understand: dark energy. Dark energy accounts for about 68% of the universe and is one of the greatest mysteries in modern science. What shape is the universe? Now, let's talk about the shape of the universe. What shape could something this vast possibly have? Scientists have proposed 3 major theories. 1. Flat universe. The most widely accepted theory is that the universe is flat. 1. On the largest scales, space doesn't curve. 1. The angles of a triangle add up to 180 degrees, and parallel lines will never meet. 2. Spherical universe. Another possibility is that the universe could be spherical, meaning space is curved back on itself. 2. If you traveled far enough in one direction, you would eventually return to your starting point. 3. Hyperbolic universe. Lastly, some propose that the universe could have a hyperbolic shape, meaning space is curved like a saddle, expanding infinitely in all directions. 3. The mystery of boundaries. So, does the universe have an edge or boundary? Is there an edge to this infinite expanse? The answer is still unclear. In a flat universe, there might be no boundary at all, just endless space stretching forever. In a spherical universe, there could be an eventual loop back to where you started. The true boundaries of the universe remain one of the biggest unanswered questions in science. Conclusion: ultimately, the size and shape of the universe remain mysteries. What we do know is that it's vast, ever-expanding, and filled with countless galaxies, stars, and planets. The more we discover, the more we realize how small we are in the grand scheme of the cosmos. But one thing is certain: the universe is bigger and more mysterious than we could ever imagine. Thanks for watching this deep dive into the universe's size and shape, here on Beyond the Obvious. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with more thought-provoking content.